A laugh beyond distance. There once was a young woman named Lily who lived in a small town by the sea. She worked as a teacher, spending her days helping children learn. Lily loved her peaceful life, but deep down she always felt like something was missing. She dreamed of meeting someone who would fill that space in her heart. One sunny day, Lily decided to take a walk along the beach. As she walked along the shore, she noticed a man sitting on a beach, sketching the view of the sea. His name was Alex, and he was a traveler who had come to the town to paint the beautiful landscape. Lily's curiosity led her to sit near him, and the son began to talk. Their conversation was easy, and time seems to fly. They talked about their favorite books, music, and dream for the future. Alex shared that he had been traveling the world for years, painting and exploring new places, but he never felt settled. Lily, on the other hand, loved her quiet life but longed for a connection that would make her heart feel full. As the sun began to set, Alex asked if Lily would like to meet again the next day. Lily listened. Lily hesitated for a moment but then smiled. I had loved to, she said. Over the next few weeks, Lily and Alex spent more time together. They explored the town, shared stories, and laughed at little jokes with each passing day. Lily found herself growing closer to Alex. His free spirit and kindness made her feel alive in a way she never had before. She loved how he looked at the world with wonder and saw beauty in everything, even the smallest thing. But as much as they enjoyed each other's company, there was one thing that made their growing connection difficult. Alex travels. He explained that he could never stay in one place for too long. He felt the need to move, to see new place and to create. Lily understood, but her heart aches at the thought of him leaving. One evening, as they walked along the beach, Alex turned to Lily. I know this isn't easy for you, he said softly, but I think I had found something in this town that I have been searching for all along. Lily looked at him, confused. What do you mean? I mean you, Alex said, taking her hand, and I have been to so many places, seen so many beautiful things, but none of it compares to being with you. I don't want to leave. Lily felt a rush and warmth in her heart. She had always wanted someone to share her life with, and now it seems like her dreams were coming true. But you are a traveler, she said. You can't stop. Alex smiled gently. Maybe I don't need to travel the world anymore. Maybe I have found the one place I have been looking for all along. From that moment on, Alex decided to stay in the small town, and Lily and Alex built a life together. They shared quiet days by the sea, painted sunset, and watched the stars. Their love grew stronger with every passing day, proving that some things. Love can change everything, even the path you thought you would take. And so Lily and Alex discovered that love wasn't just about finding the right person, it was about choosing to stay and build something beautiful together.